Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive a manual Miata, easy method. Start with the clutch fully depressed and the car in neutral, then start the engine and confirm smooth idle. Release the parking brake only when you can find the clutch bite point. Practice feathering the clutch while applying light throttle on a flat, quiet road to build confidence and prevent stalling. Finding the bite point is the key to smooth takes-offs in a Miata. Move the clutch up slowly until you feel the car want to move and hold that position. Add a small amount of throttle while continuing to lift the clutch gradually to fully engage the drivetrain. Practice this until you can repeat it smoothly without looking down, and you will stop stalling on gentle starts and hill launches. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting during practice much nicer, plus it's easy to read while you wait in the car between runs. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, and consider it if you want a compact reading companion. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Shift cleanly by coming off the throttle, pressing the clutch fully, and changing gears with deliberate motion. Release the clutch smoothly while feeding a bit of throttle to avoid lurching. For downshifts, blip the throttle or smoothly match revs to keep things balanced and comfortable. Practice upshifts and downshifts in a safe area until you can execute them without thinking, and your gear changes will feel natural and predictable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.